Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stake KLIMA Dao token. And first off, you can go to this website right here. I will leave a link to this in the description, so I suggest you check out that link. And when you get to this page, you will click first on Connect Wallet, and then you will click on Connect to your MetaMask wallet in this case. And you will probably get a MetaMask notification where you will have to connect your wallet and approve the connection to the KLIMA Dao Finance website right here. And by the way, if you don't have the KLIMA Dao token and want a tutorial on how to buy it, I can leave a link to a tutorial in the description. So anyways, it will probably look a bit different for you. You might have a button that says approve right here. So first off, you will have to click on approve. Then you will get a MetaMask notification where you will pay a small gas fee. I think approximately $0.1 US or something like that. So you will have to approve that first. Then you will be able to select an amount to stake right here. You can just select max if you want to stake all your available KLIMA DAO token balance right here. So you can see I bought just a small amount of KLIMA tokens, and you can see I have 0.01 approximately. And make sure it's on stake right here. And then you can just click on stake. You can see the APY is very high at the moment. I will click on stake KLIMA. And you can see I get a MetaMask notification. There's a small gas fee right here with Matic tokens. So I will just click on confirm. So it's taking some time for me. If you encounter the same problem, you can go to your MetaMask extension and you can look for the activity tab right here and you can see stake. So I will try to speed up my transaction. I will just up my gas price right here and I will click on save. And that helped. Transaction is confirmed right now. And if you want to unstake your tokens, you can just switch to the tab right here, unstake. You can just approve your sKlima right here. You will get a MetaMask notification where you will have to confirm, and then you can just click on unstake sKlima and you will get your KLIMA back, and then you can just sell your KLIMA to whatever crypto or. That's how you stake and unstake your KLIMA DAO tokens. If you found value in this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.